Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my LeetCode playlist. Now we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 205, which is isomorphic strings. So basically in this problem, we have given a two strings, which is S and T. S and T. And determine whether they are in isomorphic or not. So basically, two strings are isomorphic when the all characters of in S be replaced to get a T. With each character mapping repeatedly one other character, no two characters are mapping with the same character. Okay. And see here, for example, H equals to L and T equals to L. So all the characters are F from F are replacing from the T. Okay. So this is isomorphic, but this is not. Okay. See here. So this is also very simple and basic level problem. So first of all, we use mapping because of we have to store the value. So first of all, we'll create the unadded map in character form and name to it map 1 and map 2. Okay. Then after we use for loop, initialize it with 0 till s dot size and I plus plus. Inside this for loop, we will use if condition if map 1 dot count of s of I and map 1 of s of I is not equal to f I. Then we return false. This process is for first string. After that we use another if condition for second string to check both the characters are matching or not. Both the characters are replacing each character or not. So m2 dot count t of I and map2 of t of I is not equal to s of I. Then return false. After that we return. After that, first of all we will check if map1 s of I equals to t of I and map2 of t of I equals to s of I. Is this possible? Then we have to return true. So let's check this code. You can see here all the tests are passed successfully. So this is very easy and simple level problem. Thank you.